Gomez, Calvin Harris, Gigi Hadid, and the Kardashians react to Kanye West's insane Taylor Swift diss track. Hey guys, it's Chloe for HollywoodLife.com, and as you all know, Kanye just broke his truce with Taylor after releasing his epic diss song, Famous.
I feel like me and Taylor might still have sex. Why? I made that bitch famous. Goddamn. I made that bitch famous.
Those are some strong words, yay, and you can click up here for Taylor's reaction. It is not pretty. But anyway, in light of this diss, T-Swift's whole squad is coming to her defense. Taylor's bro, Austin Swift, fired back at Kanye with this video where he can be seen dumping his Yeezy sneakers in the trash, captioned, "Spring cleaning." Ya burnt, Kanye. But okay, of course, Selena Gomez has also shown solidarity with her bestie Taylor by liking Austin's video on Instagram. Tay-Tay's main man, Calvin Harris, also liked Austin's video and left this comment, LOL. That's true love right there, guys. All right, but Bad Blood squad members Karlie Kloss and Gigi Hadid were actually at Kanye's show when this all went down. So awkward. But Gigi cleared up her involvement in all of this by tweeting, "My attendance somewhere does not mean I agree with everything being said in the music playing there. My friends know of my loyalty." But not everyone was Team Tay-Tay here. The Kardashian family was, of course, at the Yeezy show to support Kanye, and fans actually caught them bopping along to the diss.
I feel like me and Taylor might still have sex. Why? I made that bitch famous.
Looks like Kendall's not getting invited back on Taylor's tour stage anytime soon. All right, but I have to hear from you guys. Are you Team Taylor and Selena or Team Kanye and the Kardashians? Thank you guys so much for watching. We love you, but all we ask so that we can keep making these videos is that you subscribe to our channel, which is so super easy. All you have to do is click on me on your desktop or down here below on your mobile device to subscribe, and that's it. Okay, begging session officially over. Bye, guys.